Is your Visible service down? Don't panic. Visible, which operates on Verizon's network, can sometimes experience outages, especially during peak hours or in areas with weaker coverage. The first step is to determine if it's a widespread outage or a problem on your end. Also, consider areas with weaker coverage. Start by checking Visible's official status page at status.visible.com or using a site like Down Detector for real-time reports from other users. These sites often categorize outages as planned, like maintenance, or unplanned, like equipment failure. For example, Visible reported a major nationwide outage on January 15, 2025, due to a back-end server issue, impacting many users. If others are reporting issues, it's likely a network-wide problem, and you'll need to wait for Visible to resolve it. If the outage isn't widespread, try these quick DIY fixes. These solve 70 to 80% of service issues. First, restart your device. A simple power cycle can refresh your phone's connection. Second, check coverage. Use Visible's coverage map to confirm you're in a service area and switch to LTE-only mode if 5G is unstable. Third, address app and SIM issues. Force stop and reinstall the Visible app or toggle airplane mode. If you suspect a SIM problem, reseat it or contact Visible for a replacement. Fourth, adjust network settings. Reset network settings or manually select Verizon as your carrier. Ensure your APN settings are correct. Visible uses VZ Winternet for data. Fifth, ensure your phone is compatible with Visible's network. If the issue persists, reach out to Visible's customer support via chatbot or live chat.